Hi, what we have here today is Sonoff Wi-Fi smart switch. I do like this brand. It kind of cheap and works well. This one worked, I'm not sure, maybe 4 years or 5 years online all the time, and now it is dead. But I think it is good for its price. And let's check what it is doing. If you can hear, relay was clicking, and we hear some noise. And LED. Not working for sure. Let's check what is inside. Let's discharge this capacitor. Sorry, it didn't focus well, but yeah. Okay, we are safe. Even capacitor looks like new, like good. Not blown, not swelling, no any physical damage, but let's remove this capacitor and test it. And testing shows 6257 nanofarads. Okay, so 6200 nanofarads is 6.2 microfarads, which is close to the nominal. So this seems to be good. Let's remove second one. And testing. 37 picofarads. And 37 picofarads is not what it should be. It kind of 0.0003 microfarads, so while it should be 330 microfarads. So this one definitely is bad. Need to replace it. Okay, so I placed this old one back in the place, and this one is new. It is much bigger, but I think it will fit, and also the capacity is bigger. It is 470 microfarads, while the old one was 330. Okay, so let's put it together and test. Okay, and it is connected to the Wi-Fi. LED is green, and let's test. Output 240. Also, it works from the app, but I cannot show it as the app is on the same phone. And please do not try to repair these kind of things if you do not know how to work with the AC line. Thanks, like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. Bye.